Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison that a lot of digital artists, game developers, and creative studios have been asking about: Scenario GG and Leonardo AI. These are two of the most popular AI platforms for art creation in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what each tool does, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately which one is the better choice for game art in 2025. Scenario is designed specifically with game developers and game studios in mind. This isn't your typical image generator that spits out random pretty pictures. Instead, it's all about creating consistent, production-ready art assets that can fit directly into a game pipeline. The platform lets you train AI custom models on your own artwork or the unique style of your studio. That means if your game has a particular art direction, whether it's pixel art, stylized 3D, or a specific hand-drawn look, Scenario can learn that and generate assets that match not just once, but over and over with consistency. Now let's look at Leonardo AI. Leonardo is more of an all-purpose creative powerhouse. It's not strictly limited to game art, though many game developers use it. Think of it as a creative studio in the cloud where you can generate concept arts, illustrations, marketing visuals, and yes, even game prototypes. Leonardo leans heavily into flexibility, speed, and community-driven creativity. One of the standout things about Leonardo is how easy it makes rapid exploration. With its flow state feature, you can generate multiple variations of a concept in just seconds. That's perfect when you're trying to brainstorm a new character, you test different art directions, or present a range of visual ideas to a client or team. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Scenario. Custom model training. The ability to train AI models on your assets so the output matches your unique style. Style consistency tools. Tools to keep your characters, objects, and environment looking the same across multiple generations. Batch generation and API. You can generate assets at scale and integrate the workflow into your development pipeline. Export options for game assets. From sprites to textures, the platform supports export formats tailored for game use. How about Leonardo AI? The flow state. You can generate tons of variations quickly, making it easy to brainstorm and find the right creative direction. Foundation models like Phoenix. Pre-trained models that offer high-quality outputs for different art styles. Editing canvas and tools. Yes, upscaling, masking, background removal, and fine-tuning inside a live workspace is what you have access to. And there's community and shared models. Yes, you have access to templates, shared prompts, and custom models that are created by other users, making it easier to learn and experiment. What is the pricing of both platforms like? For Scenario, there's a starter plan at $10 per month, there's a pro plan at $30 per month, a max plan for teams at $50 per month, and an enterprise plan at $125 per user per month. And for Leonardo AI, there's a free plan, which you can try out. There's an apprentice plan at $10 per month, an artisan unlimited plan at $24 per month, which is currently the best offer, a Maestro Unlimited plan at $48 per month, and there's a Teams plan where you can custom the pricing. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? Let's start with the pros. For Scenario, built specifically for game developers. The custom model training ensures style consistency, and game-ready exports mean less cleanup. And the pros of Leonardo AI? It is fast and flexible for prototyping and brainstorming. There's a large community with shared models and templates for you to use, and the pricing is more affordable with multiple tiers. How about the cons? For Scenario, it can be pricey for solo creators as there's no free plan, and requires good training data sets for best results. And the cons of using Leonardo? Outputs sometimes need extra editing before being game ready, and is less specialized for game pipelines compared to Scenario. So which one should you pick? Well, if you are a professional studio working on a commercial game and your priority is consistency, scalability, and production-ready assets, then Scenario.gg is hands down the better option. It's built from the ground up for game art pipelines, and it will save your team countless hours of rework. But if you are a solo creator, a hobbyist, or a small team that needs to generate concept art, test ideas quickly, or just have fun experimenting with styles, then Leonardo AI is the smarter choice. It is affordable, it's easy to use, and it gives you the flexibility to experiment with different directions before committing to a style. So that's it on the comparison between Scenario and Leonardo AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Midjourney, Dream Studio, and Pixela.ai. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.